Hi students, welcome to Mathematics class, Chapter 1, Period 1. First of all, let me congratulate you all for being in 9th standard. Today, we are going to learn something new and interesting, and the name of the topic is number system. Students, it is very important topic, so listen carefully and be attentive. So students, let us start with our first chapter, number system. In number system, first of all, we are going to study about the types of numbers. First type, that is basic division. Numbers can be divided into a number of ways. The first one is natural numbers. Natural numbers are those numbers which when you start counting, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on, then 100, and if you continue further than that, like 200, 201, 202, and then if you further continue with 352, 353 and so on, and in the end you will get infinity. This symbol is called as infinity. The full combination, that is starting from 1 till infinity, these numbers are called as natural numbers. Numbers are also called as counting numbers. If we want to count, we start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. So naturally, now suppose in this given picture, if I want to count the number of ships, I will start from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. And that's why these numbers are also called as counting numbers. Now students, tell me which is the smallest natural number. So as you can see, 1 is the smallest natural number. And what about the largest natural number? Yes, largest natural number is infinity. So the smallest natural number is 1 and the largest natural number is infinity. These natural numbers are denoted by n. Natural numbers is a set of all the numbers, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on till infinity. N is set of all the numbers, that is from 1 to infinity. Now students, let us move on to the next type, that is type 2, whole numbers. Natural numbers, they start from 1, whereas whole number start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on till infinity. In whole number, only 0 is added. Whole number is represented by W. So we can say that whole number is a set of numbers which includes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on till infinity. Now students, can you all tell me the smallest whole number? The smallest whole number is going to be 0, whereas the largest whole number is again infinity. Now students, tell me the difference between the natural numbers and whole number. Natural number starts from 1, whereas whole number starts from 0, and other numbers are also included in whole numbers. After natural numbers and whole numbers, third type is integers. Now for example, 5. If we are writing negative sign in front of 5, it becomes negative 5. Now take one more number, 2. Again, if we are putting negative sign in front of 2, it will become negative 2. Now if we write negative sign in front of all the numbers, negative number set is from -1 to minus infinity. That is -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on till minus infinity. If we combine negative numbers and whole numbers, then we call that particular set as an integers. It is denoted by Z. So Z is equal to -5. First let me write dot dot dot. -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. These numbers are called as negative numbers. Then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Now from -5 till -1, these numbers are called as negative numbers. And from 0 till 5 and so on, these numbers are called as whole numbers. And when we combine both negative numbers and whole numbers, we get integers, which is denoted by Z. Now let's see smaller integer and the largest integer. Smallest integer is negative infinity and the largest integer is positive infinity. So students, I hope you all have enjoyed today's lesson. Let us revise what we have studied in today's session. We have studied about number system, whole numbers and integers. Thank you students.